So for this canonical form, let us construct the CLR table for this canonical form. Okay, so we already know that we have constructed the LR1 canonical form. The grammar is, this is our grammar. Okay, let us give you a numbering for the every production. There are 4 productions are there. 2 productions are derived by the S and 2 are from the A comma B. Now entirely 4 productions are there. Let us give you a numbering as a R1, R2, R3, R4. Okay, now this is the canonical form. Let us construct the CLR table for this grammar using the LR1 canonical form. Okay, so there are how many terminals are there in this grammar? How many terminals are there? A is a small, all lowercase letters are terminal in this grammar. A, B, and in second production again A, B is repeated, and third production they are epsilon only, and A, capital B, capital S are become a non-terminals, so that whenever you moves are created over a non-terminal, then they are called as a go-to. Whenever the moves are created over a terminals, then they are called as a action operation. 2 operations are there, action and go-to, with respect to the bottom of LR parsers. Okay, and I think so the topic I have explained at the beginning beginning videos. Okay, so let us go from start with the I0 state. Okay, now from this I0 state we can able to move to the how many other states? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now one is moving over capital S, another one is moving over capital A and capital B. Okay, so whenever you are moving over the capital S, where you are reaching, we are reaching at the number 1 state. Okay, now so whenever the moves are created over the non-terminal, then that operation is called as a go-to. So that at the part of the go-to you go and in the column of S you have to write 1. So from I0, whenever you move over the capital S, you are reaching at the state number 1. Okay, and whenever from I0 whenever you move over capital A, you are reaching at the state number 2. Whenever you are moving from I0 to the moving over capital B, you are reaching at the 3rd state. Okay, so this is the way of filling of CLR table. Now this go-to has been completed, and all are go-to from I0 to the all other states. Okay, there is no action part is created. The next one, okay, fine. Here see, from in this state, again in the I0 itself 3 moves are created, as well 2 reduce statements also there, 2 reduce productions also there. Who are the reduces? A and B productions are reducing. How would you say? They are deriving epsilon only, so that we cannot move anywhere any other state from this A production and B production, so they are becoming reduced productions. So that for this reduce, what is the number for this A? The A reduced number is become a R3 and B reduced number become a R4. Then according to the CLR rule, so for any reduced production in any state, we have to write the reduced number in their look aheads. So everyone just to remember this point, in any state for every reduced production, we have to write the reduced number in their look ahead. So what is the A is reducing in I0, then what is the look ahead of A production? This production R3, reduced number is R3, the look ahead is become small a. So in a small a column you have to write the reduced number, that is a R3 in their look ahead. This production look ahead is a small a. In their small a column you have to write the reduced number R3. Look ahead. This is a rule. I think so. The in SLR we are going to be follow the different kind of rule whenever we are filling this table. In similar way, CLR there is a special rule for the reduced numbers. What is the rule? What is that rule? For every reduced production, so we have to write the reduced number for their look ahead in their column of look aheads. So the look ahead of A is become a small a, so that we have to write the R3, and here it is also reducing. What is the look ahead for this production? Small b. So in I0 state, in the column of B, look at B, so we are writing which production, for which production B derive epsilon, the production number is a R4. Now this is entirely I0 entries. Then go to the I1 entry, I1. Okay, I1. So this is a I1. It is also reduced production. How do you say it is reduced production? Because there is no other symbol after this dot. Entire production has been completed. So after that, for what is the locate of this production? Dollar. So this is a dollar is become a locate and is a reduce statement, reduce production. So in their locate, the locate is a dollar. In their locate, we need to write the reduced number, but that is a augmented production. Augmented production, we are not defined any reduced number. So simply we can say it is a accept statement, accept state. So we need to write as a accept state. Okay. The next I2, from I2 we are there is no reduce statement, there is no reduce production, only shift is created, and it is also moving over small a. So it is nothing but a action. It is a action. So where it is moving? It is moving to the fourth number. Whenever you from I2 to other state, only one state we are moving, that is only crossovering the small a. So the destination state is become a fourth number. So whenever moves are created over a terminal, then they are called as a complete actions, and we need to define with the shift 1, shift 2, shift 3. So what is the number of this product? State 4. So small a, from I2 to the small a, from I2 over small a, you are reaching to the state? Fourth number state. So you have to write the shift 4. From I2 over small a, you are reaching to the fourth number state. So we need to write the shift 4. Okay. And next one. Okay, now there is no other reduced productions in the I2. Now I2 has been completed. Then go to the I3. From I3, so again you are moving to the some state, but there is no reduced productions. So you are again moving over the small b. It is a terminal. Again it is also shift operation, and where it is shifting? Seventh number. So I3 moving over small b, it is reaching at the shift number 7. Okay. The next I4 state. So there are two productions are there. One is can able to again shift over the capital A, move over the capital A. Another one is a reduce state. So reduces, we are following the special rule for the reduces. Normally first let us fill the go to operation or shifting operation. So I4 crossover moving over the capital A. So it is become a go to operation. So I4 moving over capital A, it is moving to the where? Fifth number state. So you have to write the 5. Now completed. Another one is the reduce. So where it is reducing? Capital A. So what is the production number? R3. And what is the look ahead? B. So that I4, the look ahead is a B, and reduce number is a R3. So that's it. Okay, then next one, I5. Again I5, there is no reduce statement, but it is moving crossovering the small b and reach to the some other state. So we need to call as a shift operation. Okay, I5 moving over small b and reach at some destination. The destination state is a 6th number state, so that you have to write the shift 6. Okay, now that's it. There is no reduced states. Then I6 is a reduced state. Okay, so reduce into the where? S. And what is the production number? R1. What is the look ahead of this production? $. So that in their look ahead according to the CLR, so the reduced statement number is writing at the location of their look aheads. The look ahead is become $, so that at the column of $, we need to write the reduced number R1. Okay, R1 clear. Then I6 also completed. I7 again consisting of two production. One is a normally we can move over the capital B. So I7 move over capital B and reach at some location. The location is a 8. And also I7 also having some reduced production, B epsilon. Now what is the number for the B reducing? R4. And R4, what is the look ahead of this production? small a, so that in the small a column you need to write the R4. Okay, I7, I8, I8 is moving over small a to and reach it, and reaching it 9th number state, so that it is a shift 9. Like a 9th one is a reduced state. How do you say it is a 9th one is a reduced state? Because dot is after entire production, so no other symbols are there to move after this dot, so this is a reduced statement. So reducing to the where? Capital S. And what is the production number? R2. And also what is the look ahead of this production? $, so that in their look ahead, so we need to write the reduced number. So the look ahead is become $, so dollar reduced number, in the column of $, we need to write the reduced number. So this is a complete CLR table for the given grammar. This is a canonical form, and this is the CLR table. LR1 canonical form, this is the LR1 canonical form, this is a CLR table. Okay.